So in the last video, uh, what we have learned? We have learned the basic, like what is exponent, how to solve these questions, then the exponential form, the power notation, and how we read or write our exponential form, few basic questions, and the laws of exponent. Now today we'll do question solving, and in questions we'll apply the laws to solve questions. Okay, so before starting the question solving, just a quick revision about the laws and the certain points. So what was the first law? First law is for product, that means multiplication, that when if the base is same, suppose a by b to the power 4 multiplied by a by b to the power 2. Now if the base is same, then it will be a by b 4 plus 2, that is a by b to the power 6. Okay, now second law is for the division. Now according to that, what is it? A by b to the power 4 divided by a by b to the power 2, that means a by b square. Remember I said for 2 will we read as square, and for 3 cube. So a by b equals to what? Now for division there will be subtraction, that is 4 minus 2, that is a by b power 2. Now third is for power multiplication, right? For same base, suppose something is written as a by b to the power 3 and whole to the power 2. So that means the answer will be a by b, and power will get multiplied, that is 3 into 2. So a by b to the power 6. Now what are the certain points to be remember? First, if the power is 0, then the answer will be 1 always. Second point, if the power is negative, then we need to do reciprocal. Without reciprocal, we can't proceed further. What was the point number 3? Denominator for any fraction or something can't be 0 or negative, right? Now directly goes to the questions. So the first question, find the value of 4 to the power 0 and plus 5 to the power 0. So what will be the answer? 4 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0. 4 to the power 0 means 1, plus 5 to the power 0 means 1. Answer is 2. Now this question you need to solve. Pause the video and solve it. Now the next question, simplify. Now simplify ও বলা হতে পারে, they might say simplify, or they might say rational number, or they might say evaluate, but the answer will be same. So how to solve this kind of question? See, in this question the bases are not same, although it's a multiplication, but the bases are not same. So we need to find out the value. After that we can proceed. So what does that mean? So this is 2 by 3 square multiplied by minus 3 by 5 cube multiplied by 7 by 2 square. So 2 by 3 square means you need to multiply 2 square and 3 square. I mean you need to power both. So this is 2 square, that means 2 into 2, divided by 3 square, that means 3 into 3, multiply, this bracket will come in both. This is minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, that means 3 times. And whenever you are writing something in minus, use bracket. So minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, and this will be 5 into 5 into 5. Now this is 7 into 7 by 2 into 2. Now do the multiplication. What is 2 into 2? 4 by 3 into 3, 9. Multiplication. Minus, minus, minus. So minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. Just a shortcut. If the number is odd, number is means the number of repetition. See, minus 3 is repeating 3 times, right? The power is odd, 3. If the power is odd, then the sign will be, if there is minus, then will be minus. If the let me write it down. If the power is odd, and this is for negative sign only, if the power is odd, then the final symbol will be minus, and if the power is even, then it will be plus. Okay, so minus 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27, and this is 5, 5, 5, 25, 125. Multiply. 7 into 7, 49, 2 into 2, 4. Now what we need to do, if there is any cancellation, we can go for cancellation, and if we can't, then we just simply multiply. So 4 and 4 cancel out, and cancellation will be numerator and denominator. Cancellation always done numerator by denominator. You can't cancel numerator with numerator, right? Numerator and numerator will be multiplied, and denominator will be multiplied. So 9 and 27, this is minus 3. Don't forget the sign. Anything else? No. So what is left? Minus 3 multiplied 49 and 125. So minus 3 into 49, this is minus 147. and this is 125. Now you can let it be like this, or you can make it a mixed fraction also. Uh, Now next question. Same evaluation, or they can say, you know, rational number. So basically, we need to do the bracket thing first. Minus 3 by 4, that means minus 3 3 times, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, 4 3 times. Okay, now minus 5 3 times, 2 3 times, and 4 square, that means 4 2 times. Minus 3 3 times, it's minus 27. 4 3 times means 64. 4 into 4 16, 16 into 4 64. Minus minus 5 3 times, that means minus 125. 2 3 times means 8, and 4 times means 4 2 times means 16. Now simply fraction, uh, the subtraction of fraction. For that we need to do what? The LCM of the denominator. So LCM of the denominator will be 64. So this will be minus 27. How? 64 divided by 64, whatever the answer, that is 1, multiplied with the numerator, that is minus 27. Now minus 64 divided by 8, that is 8. 8 into 125, that is 1000. So minus 1000. Don't miss out with the, the symbol. S- there are high chance of silly mistakes in symbol, the plus sign or the negative sign, so be cautious about that. Into 16. Now I'm doing here minus 27 minus minus plus 1000 divided by 64 into 16. 1000 minus 27, that is plus minus minus, so that's why we minus. 1000 minus 27, so 1000 minus 27 is 10 minus 7 is 3. 73, 973 by 64 into 16. Now cancel out 16, 64, 4. So 973 by 4. You can do the mixed fraction as well. So that will be 4. So 8, 1, 7, 4, 4, 16, 13, 12, 243, 1 by 4. Now this question you need to solve. Pause the video and solve it. Now again evaluate, okay, or they might say simplify, simplify, or evaluation. Now see, Last two questions. The bases are different. Here it is 2 by 3, minus 3 by 5, 7 by 2. Bases are different. That's why we need to calculate the value, then we need to multiply. But in this question, the bases are same and this is multiplication. So we will use the first law. So that will be minus 7 by 8 and the power will get added. So minus 3 plus 2. So minus 7 by 8 and minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Now minus 1, that means you need to do the reciprocal, right? Negative power. So it will be minus 8 by 7 to the power 1, and 1 means the same number, minus 8 by 7. The answer. Now solve it by yourself. Okay. Again, see, the bases are same, but this is division. So we'll apply the second law. That is minus 3 by 2. And if there is division, then power will get subtracted, right? So 3. Okay, just a second. So this is 3 minus 6. So minus 3 by 2. 3 minus 6, that is minus 3. Now we need to do reciprocal as the negative power is there. So minus 3 by 2. Oh, sorry, reciprocal. So this will be minus 2 by 3 to the power 3. So minus 2 will get multiplied 3 times. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. And 3 also get multiplied 3 times. So that is minus 8 by 27. You got your answer. Now solve it by yourself. Pause. Pause the video and solve. Next, the product of power, right? The third law. So what will happen here? Minus 2 by 3 and the power will get multiplied. That is 3 into 2 or 2 into 3, you can say. Both are same thing. So minus 2 by 3 to the power 6. Now we need to evaluate that. So minus 2 6 times. Minus 2 will come 6 times. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 4, 5 and 6. 3 will also come 6 times. Now multiply it. So as I said, remember, if the power is odd or even, for negative sign, if the power is even, the final sign will be then addition, which is plus, because minus minus plus, plus minus minus, again minus minus plus, plus minus minus, and minus minus plus. Power is even, power is even now. So the final symbol will be plus. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 6, 32, 32 into 2 64. Now for 3, 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27, 27 into 3 81, 81 into 3 243, 243 into 3 that is 729. This is the final answer. I think I'm missing one question. I have missed one question. Just a second. Yeah, I have missed one question. So, okay. So let me solve it here. Suppose there is a number written as 144. Okay. And you need to write it as exponential form or power notation, whatever we can say. So how to do this kind of solution? You just need to do the prime factorization like 144 and prime factorization. So divided by 272, again divided by 236, again divided by 218, again divided by 2, 9. So 9 is 3 into 3, right? So if we can see here, what is the power notation then? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that 2 was coming 4 times and 3 is coming 2 times, right? So 2 into 3 to the power. Now how we can further proceed it? Or you can do square root as well. Let it be. We'll do later. We'll learn later, that is square root. This is the concept we'll learn later on. Just forget it now. Okay. Now, last question what we learn is this one, that minus 2 by 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 3. How we can do? So basically base is same, so we will multiply the power here 6 and then evaluate, right? If you understood this one, solve this by yourself, pause the video and solve it. And some more questions you need to solve by yourself. That's for today. In next part, next class, we'll learn square root. We'll solve some another type of question. Some you can say, different type of questions. We'll learn the standard form. And we'll do some practice.